Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best freestanding wine coolers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is NutriChef 12-bottle wine cooler refrigerator. We were looking for the best wine coolers that guarantee temperature control, easy placement, and safe storage of wine bottles. We found this model to meet all 3 requirements while providing extra aesthetics for any room. It is small enough to place in most free spaces in your rooms. We placed it on a kitchen counter to improve the modern feel and theme of the room. The wine fridge comes in a classy black body with a reinforced glass door. The door has an airtight seal that keeps drinks at the set temperature range, and the reinforced glass door is best for keeping light at a minimum. But, as you know, wines also need specific light conditions to maintain their flavors and guarantee continued aging. The best etiquette when serving any wine is always to face the label to your guest. With this in mind, you need wine racks that will not leave ugly marks on the label. Luckily, this wine fridge has sturdy scalloped wine racks, and placing the bottles was not difficult for me. You will only need to lay a bottle in a designated position on the rack. Finally, this wine refrigerator comes with digital control that allows me to adjust the best temperature range depending on the wines I preserve. It uses a compressor cooling technology to make temperature control easy. If you need a larger wine bottle capacity, this model is also offered in bigger freestanding options with 18 and 24 bottle capacities. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kalamera 24-foot wine cooler refrigerator. If you need to store more bottles of wine but can't afford the traditional wine cellar in a basement, we tested this Kalamera unit for you since it can hold up to 46 wine bottles. The freestanding option measures 23.4 by 33 by 22.4 inches to take the least floor or counter space. This wine refrigerator has dual temperature zones to help me set different temperatures for rich reds and crisp whites. In addition, it uses compressor cooling technology that ensures a noiseless and vibration-free operation. This unit has beechwood wine shelves, and each bottle has separate storage, so you don't need to stack them. Plus, I like that the storage is gentle on labels and guarantees good wine cork contact to prevent oxidation. We found it best to store white wines in the upper section that allows adjustable temps between 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the bigger and lower section was ideal for our red wine bottles with adjustable temps between 50 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. We also love the temperature memory feature that restores the temperature ranges set before taking out your wine bottles. The wine fridge met our placement and temperature expectations, but we still wanted to guarantee it could prevent a lot of light and humidity that would slow wine aging. Luckily, it has a stainless steel frame, white air outlet, and a double-layered reinforced glass door to control light and humidity. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ivation 12-bottle compressor wine cooler. When buying the best wine fridges, you need to ensure the outside heat does not penetrate the wine bottles, as that would affect the temperature range inside the unit and slow wine aging. This wine cooler guarantees this temperature feature and comes with adjustable ranges between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit that are ideal for reds and whites. While it offers reliable temperatures, we did not particularly like the single-zone temperature range, as it makes storing both types of red and white wines tricky. But, it is the best wine cooler for you if you intend to store one type of wine or if you don't mind calculating the best temperature sweet spot for reds and whites. It is a compact wine cooler that measures 9.92 by 17.72 by 31.18 inches to take up little space on your counters or floor. In addition, I like its modern design that includes a glossy black exterior, and a double-paned UV-resistant glass door adds an exciting touch of class to your decor. A good wine cooler keeps external light at a minimum to guarantee wine aging. This model comes with energy-efficient LED lighting to illuminate the bottles when you need them. We also love the scalloped and adjustable wine racks designed to hold wine bottles without damaging labels, and the easy-to-use digital control panel for setting the best wine environments. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kalamera Urban Series 12-bottle wine cooler. This mini wine fridge is one we love for its cooling technology and design. The 12-bottle wine cooler measures 10 by 19.5 by 25 inches and uses the more eco-friendly thermoelectric cooling technology that works without vibration and harmful CFCs to cool your wines to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Fahrenheit. The wine fridge is quiet, portable, and comes with adjustable legs so you can store it in different areas with a power source. It also has adjustable shelves that are scalloped to store standard wine bottles in perfect shape. The fridge can store whites and reds, but you will still need to find the perfect range to preserve the full aromas. We found this unit easy to operate with the smart touch controls that allow you to set temperatures and turn the soft LED lights on or off. The unit also comes in a modern design that includes a UV-resistant double-pane glass door. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Schmeck 12-bottle compressor wine cooler. If you don't need the best dual-zone fridges, then this is another single-zone model we can recommend. It has a 12-bottle capacity and measures 17.72 by 9.92 by 31.18 inches to take little space on your floor or counter. It will keep your best wines at temperatures between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, but you will also need to find a sweet spot if storing reds and whites. After all, reds are best stored and served in warmer temperatures than white wines. The modern wine fridge is designed with a thermopane and UV-resistant glass door with an airtight seal to maintain the cellar temperature at optimum levels. We found setting the temperatures with the digital control panel quite easy, while the LED lighting makes accessing stored bottles easy. We love maintaining perfect wine labels for the best serving etiquette, which is why we were drawn to the unit's scalloped racks that you can remove or rearrange to hold different bottle shapes. In addition, the wine fridge comes at an affordable price and is also available in a stainless steel look. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.